Hi, my name is Kenny. I'm going to show you how to remake the flatten the curve graphic in PowerPoint. So the curve looks like this, and you can also see it in websites. So for this, you need to know a little bit about the math. Here is the normal bell curve, and this is basically a distribution of probability around the standard deviations. So it depends on your means or your standard deviation, you will get a different shapes. So in here, this is the x-axis, basically is the standard deviations, and this is the first bell curve, and it has a mean of 2 and then standard deviation of 0.5. The cumulative is false, and the function is called norm.dist. And so for the second peak, that we have the mean. We have the mean as 3.3 and then the standard deviation as 1. And so to make it smaller in the area, I basically times a factor of 0.5. And so I also remove the labels of the x-axis and y-axis to make it very neat. And I copy the graphic into PowerPoint and also make some decorations. And I added a dotted line in here showing the healthcare capacity. And that's about it.